So hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Or if you're new here, hello, welcome. My name is LUNAROSE because I am the flower that blooms at night. And as you can read from the title of today's video, we are going to be doing a festive high heel haul. So let's get into it, shall we? So I purchased all of these high heels with my own money, combined with the help of my subscribers on my spicy page. I did also buy these shoes like a year and a half ago, so I will try my best to try and find them and link them down below. If I can't find the exact high heel, I'll try and find something very similar and link it down below. If you do shop through my links down below, they are affiliated, meaning that I earn a very small amount of commission if you decide to purchase through those links. However, it costs you nothing. It really helps me out, and I've already purchased all the shoes and like showcasing them for you guys. I might as well try and link them and earn a very small amount back. But the very first heel that I picked up that gave me full on like festive wintry vibes is this tan wedge kind of like Timberland looking boot with a nice little fur lining. Typically for me, I don't really wear wedge heels anymore, or very much don't wear wedge heels when I'm in drag, since I just like a nice stiletto. I like a platform shoe, but wedges aren't usually like my kind of go-to, and I think it's a cute shoe. Again, I bought these shoes like a year and a half ago, but you know, I think it's cute. To me, this screams a little bit more like everyday girl, even though I know an everyday girl would not wear like a big, like wedged, like sandally looking like heel, but it's fine. It's cute. It gave me festive vibes, and you know, with a little bit of fur, I think I could style like a cute look around this, but yeah, it's fine. It's fine. So we go from it's fine to oh my god, this shoe just speaks to me. And I do actually own this next heel in red, as well as like a nude, which I'll try and find a link down below some of my other like high heel hauls. But the next heel I picked up is this is what I mean when I said like a festive, gorgeous, like sexy heel, since it is like a fishnet thigh high heel. Already super sexy, but in each of the joints of like the fishnet, it has little rhinestones on it, which this is a drag queen shoe. This is sparkly, reflective, and sexy, which is like a full-on like gorgeous triple threat. And yeah, again, I also own this in red and a nude, and I saw they did it in black, so obviously I picked it up in black. Again, I did purchase these like a year ago, so it's kind of like a fun surprise haul for me as well as you guys, but yeah, I'll try and find it and link it down below. Honestly, beautiful. The next heel that I ended up picking up is also in that kind of like sparkly kind of reflective realm, and it also did kind of remind me of like the festive kind of Christmas season, which pretty much inspired me to do this haul when I saw these like next shoes together, because the next one I picked up is another thigh high, and it's in that kind of like stretchy nice material with kind of like a solid pump base and then almost like a sock boot kind of covering, but it's in this really pretty like gunmetal kind of metallic-y looking fabric, which I actually own quite a few different like dresses and bodysuits in this same like material, so I figured I could do like a full like head to toe kind of silvery metallic look at some point in the future. And yeah, I think this shoe's cute. It's kind of sparkly, kind of festive. Let me know what you think of her down below. And then the next shoe I picked up is very much in the same realm, since it is the same kind of style of shoe, but this one's like the gold kind of metallic version and the other one was like a silver. So this is what the previous one looked like a silvery kind of sock boot thigh high metallic-y number, and then this one's like a gold. Obviously they are very different, but the exact same like style. I actually really like shoes like this because since it's like a sock boot, this is just like stretch. It has like an elastic top, the fabric itself is like stretchy, so as long as your foot like fits in the little like pump, it's really comfortable and like easy to move in. And again, I do actually own quite a few things in this same kind of stretchy like metallic-y looking fabric, so yeah, expect at some point in the future, or for when I do my festive looks, to have some silvery or goldy metallic boots. Well, not really boots, thigh high little stilettos. And then the final pair of high heels that I picked up for this little like festive themed haul, and honestly the shoes that inspired this whole video, I was looking through like a bunch of stuff that I could film like hauls on and stuff that I purchased over the last like couple of years, since when I kind of had my little break from YouTube. I went to my parents' house, I got every single parcel and all the stuff that I've been storing at theirs, brought it back to my house, and I've been sat like sorting like through everything since. Not gonna lie girl, I forgot half the things that I've purchased, and I purchased stuff while I was still working in Cambridge, and I bought these shoes a year and a half ago, so kind of forgot what I bought, but I've been storing all like my parcels and stuff at my parents' house. But when I set out like all my like heels together to film hauls, I was like, I need to do a festive heel haul purely because of this next shoe, since I can't put into words how pretty this shoe is to me. Usually I like a like thick platform to my shoe and like give me that full like glamazon height, but this shoe, this just screams sex to me. It is like a red glittery kind of stiletto shoe, and I do also like that the like heel is like a matte like deep crimson red and the rest of it's kind of sparkly, since it adds a little bit of difference to it. But this shoe, literally when I saw it, just reminds me of like if Mrs. Claus was like a lot younger and was like trying to seduce like Santa Claus, and she would be like sat there with like gorgeous red glittery like rhinestoney looking pumps on. She would like wear this. Like this is just the like peak penultimate you're a slut at Christmas kind of shoe. And yeah, definitely I want to do a look revolving just around this shoe at some point in the future. Again, obviously I'm doing a lot of this like festive heel haul stuff to kind of get through some of the parcels I've purchased, so I have like heels and stuff to put together for like festive looks this like festive season, since oh yeah, definitely expect a full on like Mrs. Claus inspired look this like season with a red glittery shoe. Like genuinely, stunning. I'm also just going to daintily put it down since I don't want to damage her. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this little festive high heel haul. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below which pair of heels was your favourite. Again, I will try my best to link them down below, or at least find something similar, since I did literally buy these like a year and a bit ago, and they've just been sat waiting for me to like wear or like showcase for YouTube. And don't forget to subscribe to the girl next door with something more. I am planning to upload daily throughout December, so expect lots of content. I am really committing to creating loads of videos and lots of fun things with like festive theming, sparkles, glitz, glam, the works of it all. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks so much for watching. Bye! Ooh, that was a really powerful tongue pop outro. Bye!